Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move the Microsoft OneNote page list to the right. This is a simple customization that can help you organize your workspace according to your preferences and make navigation feel more natural if you prefer pages on the right side of your screen. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Once you're in, you'll need to make your way to the settings where all the display customization options are housed. This is where we'll adjust the position of your page list. Once your notebook has been loaded, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the File tab. This is your gateway to all the deeper settings and configurations in OneNote, so it's important to know where it is for future customizations as well. The File menu will expand and you'll be presented with several options. From here, click on Options, which is located at the very bottom of your File menu. This opens up a comprehensive settings window where you can control various aspects of how OneNote looks and behaves. It's a central hub for personalizing your experience with the application. An Options window will appear, and from here, click on the Display option located on the left side of your menu. The display settings are specifically designed to let you control the visual layout of your workspace, including where different panels and lists appear on your screen. From the display settings, look for the Horizontal Tabs Layout Options section. This is where you'll find the control for moving your page list. Then from here, you'll see a checkbox that moves the pages list to the left. Make sure to have this disabled. By unchecking this option, you're telling OneNote to position your page list on the right side instead. This is the key step that actually makes the change happen. Once you've unchecked it, click on OK to apply the changes. Your page list should now appear on the right side of your OneNote workspace, giving you a different visual layout that might feel more comfortable depending on how you work. This customization helps you tailor OneNote to match your personal workflow and screen reading preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.